Conquer counting. English cardinal numbers from 301 to 400. Hello, English language learners around the world. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're diving into the world of English cardinal numbers, specifically focusing on numbers from 301 to 400. This lesson will guide you step by step through these numbers, helping you build your vocabulary and confidence in counting in English. Let's start small by first focusing on the numbers from 301 to 310. Pay close attention to the way each number is spelled. 301, 301. 302, 302. 303, 303. 304, 304. 305, 305. 306, 306. 307, 307. 308, 308. 309, 309. 310, 310. Now that we've got the first 10 down, let's move on to the next 10, 311 to 320. Remember, once you get the pattern, it becomes a lot easier. 311, 311. 312, 312. 313, 313. 314, 314. 315, 315. 316, 316. 317, 317. 318, 318. 319, 319. 320, 320. All right, fantastic job so far. Now, let's go through the remaining numbers in tens. From 320 to 400, each group of 10 follows the same pattern. Here's a few to get you started. 330, 330. 340, 340. 350, 350. 360, 360. 370, 370. 380, 380. 390, 390. 400, 400. Remember, within each group of 10, you just add the individual numbers from 1 to 9, just like we did for 301 to 309. For example, 321 is 321, and 395 is 395. Well done on making it to the end of this lesson. Counting from 301 to 400 in English is no small feat, but you've tackled it head-on. Keep practicing these numbers, and soon they'll feel as easy and natural as counting from 1 to 10. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, practice makes perfect. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!